welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to check out a twin flame reading, and yes, this is going to be like a timeless reading. Anytime you are just walking into this video, then there is going to be something that is going to be of value for you. Yes, okay. So in this video we are going to see what is the next phase in your twin flame journey. Okay, so just because this is a general reading, yes, there are going to be a few things that will resonate with you, there will be a few things that will not resonate with you. Whatever resonates, you have to keep it. Whatever does not resonate, just let it go. Okay, sharing with you something about myself. I am Preeti. I have been doing tarot since past 19 plus years, and in these 19 years I have reached more than 50,000 plus people. So just sharing this with you so that you know that you are in good hands. Okay, so yes, now let's get started. Yes, next phase in your twin flame journey. Okay, whoever made this deck, there is a sticky point in the deck which actually sticks when I try to pull it out. Always. Okay, it happens always when I try to pull out these cards. Anyways, I'm not complaining, cards are good anyways. Okay, so yes, let's get started. Dear God, spirit guides, please share twin flame journey details, guidance for twin flame journey for my viewers. Okay, dear God, spirit guides, please share twin flame journey guidance for my viewers. What is going to be the next step in twin flame journey for my viewers? What is going to be the next phase in twin flame journey for my viewers? Okay. Next phase in the twin flame journey for my viewers. Okay. Next phase in twin flame journey for my viewers. Okay. So let's put them aside. Let's get started with the reading. Okay. So first of all, yes, we have a growth card. We have a patterns card. Okay. I'm trying to leave my comfort zone with this issue. So they are having some issue, and maybe you and this person, your twin flame, they are having an issue, and because that issue is troublesome, because this issue is taking all of their time, all of their mind, which is why they just think that yes, they just cannot cope up with this, they just cannot deal with it, so they are just leaving it alone. Okay, so yes, sometimes it is good to leave your problems alone, because if your problem is taking up too much of your time, too much of your energy, too much of your stress, then you just need to leave it alone. Just let it sort out by itself. Yes, it came by itself, so let the problem go by itself. Okay, the next card we have is I want to let my guard down. I want to let my guard down with you, but fear makes me lash out in self-defense. So okay, so they are trying to let their guard down. Okay, see, especially in twin flame journey, people are excessively on a path towards evolution, on a path towards growth, personal growth, spiritual growth, and all sorts of issues, all sort of trauma that is buried in is going to start coming out at this time. Okay, so this is what is happening with your partner. This card says I want to let my guard down with you. They are trying too hard, but they're not able to, because they have a lot of fear that comes out as a result of self-defense. The next card we have is of mirror. Okay, so this card actually says you're projecting your own fears and limitations onto me. At the same time, yes, they are going through their own issues, plus they also feel that you are projecting your issues onto them, which could be a possibility. It could also be that they have that issue and they are projecting it to you, and it also means that both of you have issues. Yes, because in twin flame journey, when your person is going through some learning, at that time you also could be going through some learning, and yes, this is why simultaneous learning happens. Yes, could be that both of you are at different places, but yes, simultaneous learning is happening, and they feel that you are projecting your stuff onto them, and you will feel that they are projecting their stuff onto you. Okay, the next card is communication card. When our conversations are light-hearted and playful, it eases the tension, and it's sometimes there when we talk. Okay, so sometimes when you talk, it eases the stress level for both of you. This is what your twin flame feels. I think you are also going to feel this, and sometimes when you are talking, it actually is the reason that stress is getting created in your relationship. So yes, both the ways it is actually true. This card says, I always felt I had a higher calling in life and our connection brings me more clarity on it. Okay, so your twin flame is getting clarity on the higher, yes, the higher calling in life that you know that they are having, and yes, it could be bringing them clarity, it could be bringing them visions, or yes, anything that is related to their purpose. The next card is our energy is stagnant. Okay, energy, whenever it gets stagnant, it is not good news. Okay, your twin flame is realizing that your energy is getting stagnant. Triggers sometimes happen to break the stagnancy and help the energy flow again. So something could happen that could trigger something, some sort of behavior, some sort of thought pattern, and which is actually going to yes, you know, it's actually going to again clear the energy flow. Okay, the next card here is this: when I let myself go deeper into thoughts of you, I can feel my heart opening. So your twin flame clearly feels that whenever they think about you, they are definitely their heart chakra definitely starts opening, which is actually good news, right? Because heart chakra is where all the good energy, all of your power, all of the soul's power is lying. So yes, you know, which is why you may say, okay, but why in your heart chakra? Heart is where, you know, it is said that this is the organ where with the highest amount of unconditional love. Even God is said that he has the highest level vibration of the unconditional love energy, which is why your soul, wherever your soul is, that is where a lot of godly power is residing. But it is mandatorily made it in that way where it is near the heart chakra, right? Heart chakra is for unconditional love, because that amount of power cannot be and should not be misused, which is why all the power actually lies with your heart chakra, so that yes, it is always used only in positive way. The next card we see here is this: it is, I need to move slowly with this, but trust that I am moving. Okay, so you may feel that your twin flame is not moving at all. They have just stagnated somewhere. They were thinking about doing something, taking some action, and then they just feel that you just feel that they have just stopped taking actions. But yes, this card says they are trying to do something. They are telling you that please don't think that I am not doing anything. I'm moving even when it seems that I'm not. They feel that you will sense that they are not moving, but that's not the case. They are moving no matter, even if they don't appear to be moving. Okay, so yes, now let's see what is the reading, what is the God's guidance, what is universe's guidance for you. Okay, so this is the guidance by the universe. Dear God, spirit guides, please share some guidance by the universe for my viewers. Please share some guidance by the universe for my viewers. Okay, guidance by the universe for my viewers. Okay, so first of all, yes, this is about you and your partner's relationship, you and your twin flame relationship. This lady is somebody who knows how to handle her materialistic dimension. So whoever is the woman in the relationship, that person is actually going to know how to handle materialistic stuff, how to handle money, how to handle property, yes, stuff like that. So yes, make sure that that person handles it. This will be possible if both of you are living together. Again, if you are not living together, then wherever this that divine feminine is, she is supposed to manage her finances properly. She is supposed to save her finances and yes, work with money properly. The next is the temple path. Temple, what is the temple? Your body is the temple for your soul. So you have to make sure that you work on your body, you work on healing your body, you work on strengthening your body. The next card we see is broken heart. Okay, so broken heart card is doesn't look good, right? Broken heart does not sound good, but universe says that if your twin flame breaks your heart, don't worry. Okay, so even if your heart is broken, don't worry, because twin flame connection, yes, because both of you evolve because of each other's presence. And so yes, how do they evolve through the negative problems that you have in your life, and it could be that negativity could be induced by your twin flame themselves, so that you get to evolve quicker. Okay, So yes, so that is it for today's video. I hope that this video has helped you. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. Try to share this video with other people. I will see you again in the next video. Do stay subscribed to my channel. In comment box below this video, try to share with me how this video has resonated with you. Yes, this is like a very short reading, like a very short and to the point reading, so that you can get an update what your twin flame journey is going to look like. Okay, so that's that. And if you are interested, if after watching this video you are interested in getting an extra reading with me, by all means please connect with me. There is going to be a number given on the screen. Yes, the consultation is going to be paid consultation. You will first have to make the prepayment, after which you will get a reading. That being cleared, the second thing I would like to say is, if you after watching this video, if you get interested in learning tarot, there is an amazing tarot class that is coming up. You can check it on my website where that class is happening, and yes, you will actually enjoy it. If you are interested in learning tarot, then yes, by all means please join the class. And yes, I would suggest that you get a numerology reading where it is like super detailed, and it is going to share with you lucky colors, lucky numbers, and a lot of amazing stuff. Okay, so yes, it's available at a very cost effective manner, but it's going to be very helpful to you for future. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Until next time, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.